Good morning everyone. In this video I will explain you the importance of business environment of class 12. So let us start. First point is to identify and avail of an early opportunity. Second, helps the firm to identify threats and early warning. Third, it helps in coping with rapid change. Fourth, useful in planning. And fifth, continuous guidance. So I will explain all these points one by one. So let us start with the first point, to identify and avail of an early opportunity. This means that if an individual business do a business scanning of the and he will come to know, by the business scanning he will come to know about the business environment, what is going on about the external factors. He will come to know about the external factors, and sometimes he will get the opportunities to flourish his business. मतलब बिजनेस स्कैनिंग करके उसको पता चलेगा कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है, एंड समटाइम्स ही विल गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. उसको बिजनेस आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल सकती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कार केम्स इन द होल वर्ल्ड, पीपल यूज्ड टू परचेज अ बिग कार or a luxurious car. But when this concept came in India, the business enterprise, they realized that maximum population in India were of middle class and were of nuclear family. Nuclear means single family. They cannot afford a big car. So the business enterprise, they grab this opportunities immediately. They grab the opportunity immediately and they launch a small car like a Maruti, so that maximum person can purchase this car and they will have maximum sale. So what happened, by scanning the business environment, business enterprise get a opportunity to, he just grab an opportunities. So if the business enterprise keep an eye on the business environment, it will gives an early opportunity. पहले से ही opportunity मिल जाती है कि पहले से ही किसी और के लाने से पहले हम उसको मार्केट में लेकर आ जाएं. That is the first point. Second point is helps the firm to identify threats and early warning. पहले से ही warning मिल जाती है business environment से. हमको अगर business scan करेंगे, we will get the early warning. So threat here refers to the external environment and changes that will hinder a firm's performance. So beside opportunities, business environment help the manager to identify the threats on time. Business environment gives the opportunity, but beside opportunities, it also helps the manager to identify the threat. For example, if the government allows the multinational company to enter in the Indian market, then with the new substitute, if an Indian firms find that government has given the permission to the multinational company to enter in the Indian market with the new substitute, so it will act as a warning signal. Means a new competitor is coming in the market. हमारे मार्केट में हमारा एक कॉम्पिटिटर आ रहा है. मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी मीन्स it will produce a capital oriented product, means the product with the best finishing. So it is a warning to us. So what, by the environment awareness, by the environment scanning, what we can do on the basis of this information, we have got this information that the new international Indian market MNC multinational company is entering in the market. So on the basis of this information, Indian firm can prepare themselves to meet the threat by adopting certain measure like improving the quality of the product, reducing the cost of production and so on. पहले से हमें वार्निंग मिल गई है तो हम उसमें कुछ मेजर ले सकते हैं कि हम अपने प्रोडक्ट को इम्प्रूव करें, उसका क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव करें, उसका कॉस्ट रिड्यूस करें. So when we got the warning beforehand only, so we can take the necessary step to improve our product and to improve our market. So business environment does not give only opportunities but also threat, and it will act as a warning signal. Next point is it helps in coping with rapid change. So it means that business environment is getting increasingly dynamic. Dynamic means changes where changes are taking place at a fast pace. जहाँ पे business environment अब ऐसा हो गया है जहाँ पे बहुत rapidly changes आ रहे हैं. For example, in the everything is changing rapidly, even in the fashion. You can see also in the fashion. पहले क्या होता था, एक ही फैशन जो है, वन फैशन ट्रेंड, इट लॉन्ग्स टू टू 3 years, एक ही फैशन जो है 2 से 3 साल तक चलता था. बट वॉट अबाउट नावर डेज? सपोज वन टी शर्ट और वन टॉप, टुडे इज इट इन फैशन एंड आफ्टर 4 days it will be out of trend. So it will be out of trend means it is fashion is rapidly changing. Not only in the fashion, even in the other things also market is changing rapidly. बहुत तेज़ी से market change हो रहा है. For example, we can say that in the olden days we were loyal toward one brand. For example, Batas. I have wear the Bata shoes in class 1 also. I have wear that brand in class 5th also. When I was in 9th, in that time also I have purchased the Bata shoes, and even in 12th class also Bata shoes. And so at that time the people were loyal to any of one brand. कोई भी एक brand पे loyal होते थे. But nowadays if we purchase one brand today, after 4 days we will go to some other brand. So in order to effectively cope with these significant changes, manager must understand and examine the environment. Means businessman has to match the customer demand. He has to match the customer demand so that the business environment helps in coping with the rapid change. The business environment helps the businessman to match with the rapid change going in the market. Next point is useful in planning. So environment is a source of opportunities as well as threats for a business. Environment जहाँ कुछ opportunities देता है तो वहीं पे हमें warning भी देता है, warn भी करता है. So after analyzing, after understanding the business environment, on the basis of that future planning is done. On the basis of that environment future plannings are made. So when the environment changes, it influences our business. It may be positive or negative. जब environment change होता है तो positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है. When I know that things, it will be negative. By doing this thing it will be negative for me, so I will be far away from that negative influences. जब मुझे मालूम है ये करने से negative effect होगा मेरे ऊपर, so I will be away from that thing and I will grasp only that thing which will be positive for me. So the environment helps in the planning for future. जो हमारे बिज़नेस के लिए अच्छा होगा सिर्फ हम वही ग्रेस्प करेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ही हम बिज़नेस का फ्यूचर प्लानिंग करेंगे. दैट वाज द 4th पॉइंट. नाउ कमिंग टू द 5th पॉइंट, दैट इज़ द कंटिन्यूस गाइडेंस. So it means that when the enterprise that continuously monitor the environment, the business that continuously monitor their business environment and adapt suitable business practices are not only improve their present performance but also continue to succeed the market for a longer period. जो business market होते हैं, जो continuously environment पे नज़र रखते हैं, they will improve their present performance. वो present performance को तो improve करते ही हैं but वो succeed भी होते हैं, longer period के लिए भी succeed होते हैं, success होते हैं. I will take one example. For example, your business is totally dependent on the Chinese product. For example, the Diwali lights. But if you are not watching the news and you are unaware that whole India is boycotting the Chinese product and you have bring so many stock from the China and nobody, so what will happen? Nobody will purchase your product. कोई खरीदेगा आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या? नहीं खरीदेगा, because government has banned the Chinese product and you have purchased a whole stock from the China. So what will happen? It will influence your market badly. It will have a bad influence in the market. आपका business जो है बंद भी हो सकता है. Why? The reason was because you were not aware of the business environment. आपको business environment के बारे में पता ही नहीं था, बाहर क्या हो रहा है आपको पता ही नहीं था और आप इतना सारा स्टॉक उठाकर ले आए. अगर if you were aware of the environment what is going on outside, अगर आप aware होते so you तब आप ऐसा करते ही नहीं, आप लेकर ही नहीं आते ऐसा प्रोडक्ट. सो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट gives the warning beforehand and according to that warning you can make the strategies for the future for your business. So here we complete the importance of business environment and I hope so that you have understood this topic. In the next video we will meet with some new topics. So till then, take care. Bye bye.